Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. In this video, I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow the step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then turn on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off, and try opening any website to test internet. If internet is not working, then the app will not work properly. So the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes our simple reset can fix many problems, and this helps remove small bugs and glitches. The another step is update the app. Make sure your app is available to the latest version. For the app update, open Play Store App Store, then click on search, then search for the app, then tap on update option if update is available. Sometimes old version may not work properly. So the another step is clearing app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and caching issues. Go to your phone setting, tap on apps or app management, then go to app list or apps, then search for the app, then go to storage and cache, click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. So the another step is wait for feature rollout. Sometimes TikTok features are not available in all region 8, so may need to wait for the update. After all doing that, the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, uninstall the app, restart your phone, install the app again from Play Store or App Store. And by doing all of it, this keeps a fresh start the app. If none of these helps, then you can contact to the customer service of the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix the app problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.